Welcome, my friends. This is Matthew Loop. Thanks for checking out this quick video. I'd like to answer one of the more commonly asked questions that I get on a regular basis from business owners, and that is, what should I post on Facebook? I hear this all the time from beginner marketers all the way up to seasoned veterans that basically hit a wall. So I want to give you 5 simple ideas and really informational insight as to what to post so you can consistently keep your content and engagement up. Now, if we're not already connected, what I'd like to invite you to do is go to facebook.com/MatthewJLoop. Click the like button once you're there so we can stay connected, and I can inform you on the newest profitable ways that help you grow your business using social media and the internet. So without any further ado, I'd like to get into the very first strategy. In fact, let me go ahead and just spell them all out for you first. So the first strategy we're going to talk about is quotations, right? The second strategy is images. The third is content related specifically to your industry. The next is humor/jokes. And then finally, open-ended questions. So let's dig in. Now, if you ever find yourself running out of ideas to post on your Facebook profile, realize that you can post a very simple motivational or inspirational quote, or whatever your personality is. Again, we're trying to be authentic on Facebook and other social media. I particularly like to use a couple sites. One is called brainyquote.com and the other one is thinkexist.com. Both of these websites you can actually search by topic. So if you are looking for a motivational quote or a life quote, you can search by author, quotes of the day, pictures. A lot of great information that can help keep your content flowing. And the bottom line is, I like to inspire and motivate people on social media and make their day a little bit brighter. So quotes allow you to do that. Again, if you run out of ideas, it's very, very simple to find something real fast and go ahead and post on your Facebook profile. I know that, just an example of one of the quotations that I posted the other day: if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. It's a great quote. I fully agree. It's by Derek Bach. I believe I found this on brainyquote.com, and 5 people like this, right? So it hasn't garnered me dozens of likes or hundreds of shares like some of my other content, but at the same time it just keeps the content posting consistent. So make sure that you understand as well, every person on your either Facebook fan page or your personal profile is not interested always in the same topics that you are. And let me give you a specific example. By trade, I'm a chiropractor. The last 7 years I've been a social media revenue strategist, but by trade I'm a chiropractor, so I'm very passionate about health information and empowering the public. However, I know that most of my friends, in many cases on certain profiles, they might not have similar interests that I do. So yes, I'm passionate about health and I might post health information all the time, but I need to realize, just like you watching this video, that all of your friends have different personalities and you have to appeal to each of their personalities. That's what I'm sharing with you how to do in this video. So that kind of brings me to my second idea and factor that you can post if you're not already doing it, and this is information related to your specific industry. So if you're an attorney, maybe you do post legal information. If you are a medical doctor or chiropractor, maybe you post health or wellness information. If you are a cosmetic surgeon, maybe you're posting about beauty and types of procedures, etc. I think you get the idea, and you, based on your industry, will know the publications where you need to be searching. The cool thing is, when you do post an article, a press release, many times the image will actually show up. And let me give you a good example of this related to the industry that I'm in. So I'm going to scroll on my profile here. Let's see. This is a good one from Entrepreneur Magazine, right? 10 things your customers wish you knew about them. And the graphic already populates, which helps to increase clicks. But make sure you understand, I'm going to reiterate this point, all your friends don't have the same personality types, so you have to mix up the content. That's what these 5 different things will do. So the second thing that I mentioned again is posting information related to your specific industry or niche. The third thing that I want to share with you are simple jokes and humor, right? Everyone likes a good joke and good humor. Now, depending on what type of personality you are, you might opt for maybe, let's say, clean jokes or one-liner. Again, be authentic and true to yourself and know your audience to see what they want. But you could easily go to different websites or type in one-liner jokes and find, like I just found this website randomly as I typed in one-liner jokes. Do not argue with an idiot. He will drag you down to his level and beat you with experience. That's pretty funny. That may be a little bit hard for some people, but again, depending on your audience, you could easily post some type of humor and some type of joke just to lighten the atmosphere and to create even more engagement. So that's another example. Now, the third thing that I'd like to share with you are simple open-ended questions, right? So if you are a chiropractor, maybe you do post an open-ended question about healthcare, or, hey guys, what do you think about Obamacare? Something that might be a little controversial to spark conversation. The important thing is, as you post these things on your Facebook profile, you want to engage and interact as your friends or fans post comments. So make sure that if you're going to post an open-ended question, which you should be, right, because the conversation is not necessarily all about you, it's not about social status updating or just notifying, it's about participation and engagement. Open-ended questions give people the feel that you actually care what they have to say, because you are asking a question that they can answer. And this could be related to your industry or niche, or just something that is passionate for you specifically. Now, the next thing that I want to share, of course, is images, as I spoke briefly about before. These can be in the form of videos, obviously, or just regular images that you may post from your camera. Let's see if I can find one on my Facebook fan page. Well, let me go to my personal profile and show you just an example of an image that I took, right? Now, I was eating salmon at Whole Foods Market. Of course, I'm passionate about health and wellness, and I'm always trying to give insight about health. That's one of the things that I posted. This is an image of myself and my son that garnered some comments. Down here is a quote that I found on a card. So posting images and or posting videos does create more engagement. Research shows that it helps to increase engagement on Facebook. So make sure you are posting different types of quotes, or images, possibly videos, along with everything else. Okay, so there you have it. We talked about those 5 specific things that you can post if you're ever stumped about what should you post on Facebook. The first one is as humor. Second one is open-ended questions. The third one is industry-specific information to your topic. The fourth one is images or videos. And the fifth one that you want to post is definitely quotations, right? So all of these things together influence all the personality types that you'll be able to interact with, or that you see in terms of your friends and fans. And it gives you a wide variety of subjects and mediums to definitely increase your engagement and keep the conversation going. So if you found a lot of value from this video, please, please, please click the like button that you see just below here on YouTube or whatever video network that you're watching this on, because I love to create these videos, and the truth is I'd like this to help other people as well. Now, one of the things that I also want to mention, another question I get asked is, when should I post my status updates? And the truth is, it will really depend. You want to definitely check your fan page insights. So if you're on your Facebook fan page right now, you can see this admin panel up here. If you click the admin panel, you can check out this Insights tab. If you click See All, that will actually tell you when most people are engaging with your content, right? So if you post these status updates early morning, late evening, or early afternoon, you'll be able to tell where you're getting most of your engagement from. This is a valuable metric, so every industry is just a little bit different. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your posting should be based on your specific testing and what your analytics show. But hopefully you did find a lot of value from this particular video, and if you incorporate these 5 specific strategies, you will never run out of an idea in terms of what to post. You'll always keep the engagement and the community flowing, and you'll of course gain more fans, get more leads, get more traffic, and ultimately get more customers if you do it correctly. So hopefully, again, you found this video useful. If you did, click the like button below, and I'd also like to invite you, if we're not already connected, to go check out my blog at dcincome.com/blog. This is my home online where you can find just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of valuable trainings, blog posts, video trainings that will help you grow your business fast using social media and the internet. I'm here to serve you, and I also wanted to point out one of the most valuable resources, I would say the most valuable 23 pages that I've ever created, is in my task list and quick start manual for Social Media Elite. And in this particular medium, especially if you found this video valuable, you're going to love what you find in this quick start manual, because I go over a lot of just tools, software, and services that I use on a regular basis to make my business profitable. I also go into different link building strategies. I give you a specific task list that you can basically go off of and follow to the T, so you never have to wonder what should I be doing that's most effective within my social media marketing. We talk about social networking sites that you should use, how to build strong relationships on Facebook, ways to really ramp up your fan count and turn those fans into actual paying customers, because in the end, that's really what matters. But if you're interested in this, you can always check out dcincome.com/go, where you can find my flagship training, Social Media Elite. I'm here to serve you. If you ever have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer those. Again, check out my blog, because there's so many free trainings that you can use and access right now that will help grow your business. This is Matthew Loop. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.